Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Evolution Shards in the Clash Royale. So in this one, we have 5 steps. So let's start with the first one, which is Evolution Shards Overview. So in this one, you need 6 Evolution Shards for a specific card, like for example, the Skeleton Barrel, to unlock its powerful evolution ability. So you must focus on the methods below. So on this one, you just have to head over to the in-game shop tab to begin your search. Now, next is the seasonal shop, which is the recommended one. So, evolution shards are the best value purchase in the seasonal shop every month. So, you must collect the seasonal tokens by playing ladder and events. So, you can also check the seasonal shop for shard offers. So, this is the most reliable free-to-play source. Next is direct shop offers. So you can look for special limited time bundles in the main shop tab. So these bundles usually require gems or real world money. So they are the fastest way to get a full set of 6 shards, but they are expensive. So you must take note on that. Next is the Pass Royal and events. So the Gold or Diamond Pass Royal often includes evolution shards. So always check the reward track for the current season's pass. And then additionally, high win rewards in global tournaments and special events, sometimes grand shards. And lastly is the wild shards and chests. So wild shards can be found in some legendary wild chests, but this one is like it rarely happen. So while uncommon, you must keep an eye on the chest cycle. So if you max out a card's evolution, so any future shards for that card turn into wild shards. So which can be used on any other card. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!